Whoa.
Fire at like 30
Pretty cool,
BBs a second.
So let's fill this back up again.
Oh yeah, sure. Watch where you're pointing them, would you?
Oh my god, Duel.
Yeah, and tape the safeties.
Oh, I just fogged up my glasses.
Good job.
Oh yeah, 'cause you broke my fucking trigger.
Yeah. But you love me, so it's okay.
Yeah, you're the only one who gives good head.
Ew.
In case you're wondering, we're a little bit more homoerotic than Marines.
Okay.
And
Alrighty.
those guys are the most non-homo guys I know of.
Alright, Jordan, you ready to duel?
Oh, he's double
Mac 10.
Where'd the FAMAS go?
Over here.
George, just run in.
I want to see if I can use
Nobody
it at all.
can stop you.
Okay.
If nobody wants to.
Let's go. Alright, let's go.
Is it loaded?
It's loaded.
No, Austin, you're walking ready to
Who's on team with me and Malcolm here?
Ben.
Come on, Ben.
Go.
We're loaded for bear. Come back, come back.
So I just have to...
My wife was a sex doll, in case you're wondering.
Okay, screw the shotgun.
Hey, where'd you put the pistol? Still got it?
Somebody has it.
Okay.
Cause YOLO, right?
It's a good thing we can tell which one is which. Mine's the one that has the strange fire back, and it's got the broken trigger. Because Jordy broke it.
Oops.
You're never gonna let that go, are you?
No. Oh, hey,
All
I
good.
forgot I had these ones.
Alright.
Gorgeous.
And I use when I edit my videos, I use Windows Movie Maker.
Fine.
Why are you making a
Actually, no, I used the YouTube one.
I use MCH.
Use
'Cause-
YouTube
no, 'cause
Editor.
It's easier, because whenever I try to put the files onto my laptop, they're all sideways.
Yeah.
Too late.
Are we ready?
Okay.
Just use your stick, then.
Ready!
I guarantee your stick is a lot better than that.
It is. I was going for
Okay, let's get it.
Leroy! Do me a favor, let me know if I'm being walked in on.
I'm just a camera guy.
What?
I'm just a camera guy.
Okay.
Besides. Ugh.
Alright. that was a good conclusion.
Nice shot.
Thank you. You guys ready? We're good.